As a nutrition chef who teaches anti-inflammatory cooking, I get asked all the time, "Hey Shelly, how do I make a creamy sauce dairy-free?" So you know what? I'm gonna show you exactly my method on how I make a delicious dairy-free cream sauce. Good for anything saucy. You could put it in a soup, you name it. Just think half and half or heavy cream, but it's dairy-free. Soak some cashews in really hot water for a couple of hours, and then rinse them, drain them, put them in a blender with equal parts filtered water. Then you just blend it for 2 or 3 minutes until it's silky smooth. And bam, you have creamy cashew cream. You can replace any recipe that says half and half or heavy cream with this delicious dairy-free cream. Tonight, I want to show you how I'm going to use it in my spaghetti. I want to make like a vodka sauce. So I ground up some turkey. I took a whole bunch of veggies and blended them up. And then I added a Shelly approved jar of marinara and my cashew cream. It is the most delicious spaghetti sauce. Be sure to like and follow me for more healthy eating and cooking tips.